If you are experiencing issues with Telegram not sending the confirmation code to your phone, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app and simply go to the Wi-Fi. Make sure that your device has a stable internet connection. Telegram requires an active internet connection to send and receive messages including confirmation codes. So, after you have checked your internet connection, simply go to the App Store and search for the Telegram on your search address bar. So, after you search for the Telegram, ensure that you are using the latest version of the Telegram app available for your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address issues with code delivery. So, if there is update icon available in the blue highlights, then simply update your Telegram app. After that, go back to the settings again. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage. And in iPhone storage, scroll down and tap on the Telegram from the installed listed apps below there. Search for the Telegram app and tap on it. So now, simply you can see the offload app option available there. Tap on the offload app and reinstall your Telegram app. After this, go back to the settings again and tap on the general. Inside general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on the reset all settings. So by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue of Telegram not sending the confirmation code to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.